Hello, everyone. Did you know that WhatsApp now boasts over 1.9 billion users worldwide? However, a staggering 97% of those users are unaware of its true potential. Today, I'm excited to share with you 10 essential tricks that can enhance your WhatsApp experience. Let's dive in. Trick 1. Lock sensitive chats. First up, lock sensitive chats. You can secure your private conversations using a passcode, fingerprint, or Face ID. This is crucial for maintaining your privacy, especially if your phone is lost or stolen. Your conversations remain secure, giving you peace of mind. Trick 2. Dual WhatsApp accounts. Next, we have dual WhatsApp accounts. This feature lets you keep your work and personal chats separate on the same device. It's a great way to stay organized and reduce stress, allowing you to switch between accounts effortlessly. By the way, if you're interested in the latest tech innovations, check out Meet Gamma. They offer tools to help you create presentations, slide decks, and websites in under 20 seconds. Try it out at gamma.app. Trick 3. Restore deleted messages. Moving on to restore deleted messages. Ever accidentally deleted a message? With the Undo Delete for Me feature, you can recover it instantly, even if it was deleted for everyone. This can save you from losing important conversations. Trick 4. Send a message instantly. Next is send a message instantly. Sending messages has never been easier. Simply enter the number, choose the country, and hit send. No extra steps are needed. Your message will be on its way in no time. Trick 5. Meta AI on WhatsApp. Did you know that Meta AI is now on WhatsApp? To start using it, just open WhatsApp, begin a new chat, select Meta AI from the list, and accept the terms. This feature can elevate your conversations and provide you with useful assistance. Trick 6. Infuse AI into your WhatsApp. Another exciting feature is the ability to infuse AI into your WhatsApp. With the HeyPat option, you can add an AI assistant. Simply visit their website, start a chat on WhatsApp, and explore endless possibilities with AI right at your fingertips. Trick 7. Search or ask Meta AI. If you have questions, you can simply search or ask Meta AI. Just start typing, and Meta AI will provide suggestions, or you can type out your full question. It's a fantastic tool for finding answers on sports, entertainment, and current events. Trick 8. Emoji shortcuts. Finally, let's talk about emoji shortcuts. You can turn on emoji shortcuts in the settings, allowing certain characters to automatically transform into fun emojis. This adds flair to your messages and makes chatting more enjoyable. So there you have it, 8 essential WhatsApp tricks that can enhance your messaging experience. By utilizing these features, you can make your chats more secure, organized, and fun. Thank you for joining Cash Koshing today, and happy chatting.